Wake up and realize I wasted so much time.